I'm going to make a J in your tummy. That's right, I said J in your tummy. That's the name of a drink. And we're fixing to make it. We're fixing to start out with a little bit of ice. I'm going to use 2 parts of Malibu rum. Give it, an ounce. We'll go half ounces apart. And you know what? It's the beginning of the evening. We're going to use Sambuca, which is a licorice-flavored liqueur from our friends over in, Russia. That's one part of that. You don't want to put too much in there because it could overpower it and you would have a licorice-flavored, pretty, fruity drink. We're going to use 1 part blue curacao, which is also an orange liqueur, but it's just blue, which also comes from the island of Curacao. We're going to use 1 part Midori liqueur, and we're going to throw in pineapple to taste. Since we have so many ingredients in here, we're going to shake. You could probably make this into a drink, but tonight we're going to make it into 2 shots. Because you never drink alone. Nice pretty blue. Could be called the Aquavella. J in your tummy. Cheers.